Are you lazy like me and want to learn how to make crockpot birria? Well, keep watching. First, you're going to need a pot. You're going to fill it up with water, and then you're going to add 3 to 4 chiles de árbol. I use this many tomatoes, but you don't have to use that many tomatoes. You can just put 2 or 3. But I have perfected my recipe and have realized the more tomatoes you use, the better the sauce is. And then you add about 10 to 12 chiles guajillos. This is what they look like. Half a motherfucking onion. I'm going to use 2 bay leaves. I'm going to grab a handful of these whole black peppers and I'm going to throw them in there. Now we're going to grab some garlic. You need about 5 to 6 pieces of garlic and you're going to toss them in. And now you're going to let that shit boil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's come to our crock pot. Turn that bitch on. Sprinkle some salt in the bottom. You slap your chuck tender roast in there. And then you add a little bit more salt on the top. Now you're going to take out your blender. You're going to need some chicken bouillon, salt, and cumin. I put about 3 little teaspoons of chicken bouillon. Now I'm going to add some salt. And then I'm going to add the cumin. Now that it's been 15 minutes and it is boiling, we are going to transfer all this into the blender. So you're going to want to transfer everything onto the blender except for the 2 bay leaves we used. We just leave them there. And you're also going to want to grab some of the water that you boiled your chiles and stuff and put some in here. So it should look like this once it's done blending. And you're going to grab a bowl and you're going to grab a strainer because we are going to strain it since I did cook the chiles with the seeds in them. Now your sauce should look like this. It's all drained. There's no seeds in it. And now we're just going to pour this on here. You're going to grab 2 bay leaves, throw them in there, close this, and leave it like this, closed on high, for 4 to 6 hours. So this is how my birria looks after 6.5 hours. It's ready to eat. You're welcome.